All right, back again with another repair. So, here we are with a cheap Amazon, eBay DJ par. These are LED, fairly bright. They have the fan. So just let's back up. These are not name brand at all. These are nothing like your Chauvet or your American DJ pars, which have a way better casing and, more importantly, a better cord. I've heard that the name brand ones also have better light accuracy. The reds are reds, the blues are blues, whatever, such and so forth. But these are cheap. I bought these years ago, way before COVID, back when you could get these. You could get an 8-pack for like $75. I don't think you can do it now, but back then it was 2019. I think I bought these 2018 probably. I think I got 8 of them for $75 and free shipping on eBay. The Achilles heel of these, as well as most Chinese products, that's the most obvious, is these cords. It's very common to have used these a few times, and as you can already tell, the cord is already frayed. The insulation is already broken. The wires are twisted, and look, there's already a break. Hold on. Trying to get this thing to adjust. Focus. There's already a break right there. So they commonly break there, and they also break at the end of the plug. And there's nothing you can do about it. The problem is that the insulation on these is so thin that just taking them out and putting them in your bag or mounting them or whatever, any little thing just it just kills these things. And because since we're too cheap to buy the real ones, then we have to make do with what we have, which means we have to fix them and replace the cord. Also, I just thought about something. One of the more important things about why you should probably consider getting the name brand ones is the sound activation mode. The sound activation mode on your Chauvet and your American DJ lights is way better. When these hear sound, they just flash forever. It has nothing to do with the beat or the music or anything. They just hear sound and go crazy. The name brand ones, they hear sound and the lights actually go to the sound. Anyway, back to the cord. It's fairly decent. Fairly decent repair. Really easy. You literally just take these Phillips out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And inside of here, there is a couple ribbon cables. One ribbon cable goes to the fan. One ribbon cable goes to this LED display. Another goes to, I believe, the screen in the back. There. And you cut them and you replace them. And that's pretty much it. Here is the finished product. I had some spare wire laying around. Of course, since I'm a pack rat, I just so happen to have some cable laying around that I use to repair these. Hold on. So, as you can tell, it's a major difference. The cable I had, which is a major upgrade to the cable that they use inside the stock one. I'll show you how thin that cable is. It's one of those things that don't catch on fire. And I bought this connector from Lowe's. 2-prong connector for $2.24, like a couple days ago. So that's the price. So as you can see, here's the cable here. versus the stock cable. Okay. The only thing I would recommend that you do if you're gonna do this repair is to get a good grommet, because I don't have any grommets. If I had a grommet that would fit right there, it'd be perfect. But I'll open it up and I'll show you which side, what the inside looks like and how I did it. All right. Okay, we're back. We have the 6 screws out, and we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So as I said before, there's your LED with a metal backing. There's your fan. There's your mini transformer, your capacitors. Here's your, that's your LED ribbon cable. Take that out. And here is your AC cord right here. So what I did is I soldered the AC cord, my replacement, to this. I did it really quick and dirty too. It's not pretty at all, but it'll work. So what you need to do is your pink is your hot wire, your blue is your neutral. So pink is hot, blue is neutral. And when you go to get your plug, when you take the screws out of this plug, one will be brass, one will be silver. Now the brass is your hot, and the silver is your neutral. All right, so you're basically gonna, whatever color wiring you're using, you're gonna splice into the pink for your hot. That will go to the brass side of the prong on your plug, and whatever you tap into for your blue is gonna go into your neutral on the end of your plug. All right, and that's it. Trying to see, I have a plug. I'm getting ready, another one I'm going to replace. The wiring on these, I mean, it is just so small. The strand of wire in here it's just crazy. Hold on. Okay, so here's the plug that I stripped away, just so you can see how small that strand is. And for reference, I'm trying to think, what can I use? Here's the wiring for the LED. I believe that the wiring for the LED is actually thicker than the AC prong cable. Here's the screws that came out for reference. So we're talking about extremely small wiring. I don't know what AWG this would be. Maybe a 22 or something? 24? It's extremely small, but doing this repair, you can definitely extend the life of these lights. I would just try to find the cheapest, cable you can find. The cable I had laying around was some Belden wire that's shielded. I didn't use the shielding on it, but it was a decent wire. Definitely better than what came in it. That's probably the thing that kills these the most is the breaks in the wire. So as soon as you can fix that, then these will last. I've had these a couple years already. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one.